Hi guys, welcome back to Organize with Eb. Today I am doing a cook and clean with me. To be honest with you, I am normally not a cooker, so everything that we do are usually simple meals. So I just want to take you guys along with me for an evening. So first things first, if you've been following along with me, I have recently put in a backsplash, so I'm just showing you guys here. I definitely want to show you guys the before, so I'm going to put the before in here, and then this is the after. I ordered the peel and stick backsplash off of Amazon, and I love how it has turned out. I didn't realize how realistic it was actually going to look. I didn't want to, because I know whenever you place a backsplash in, sometimes they have to tear down your sheetrock and all that stuff. So I didn't want a huge project, just wanted something simple and a DIY. So I love how this turned out. I actually had to stop and get a few things at the store, so we're going to first put those up. So I'm just going to place those in the refrigerator and in the cabinets, and then I'm also going to work on these dishes. So sometimes we usually use the dishwasher, as you'll see in just a second, but if we are running out of space for the dishwasher, we'll just go ahead and hand wash them and place them in the drying rack. So I'm going to go ahead and put that up, and then I'm also going to put the dishes in the dishwasher up, so that way I can go ahead and have the dishwasher empty for the dishes after we eat, and it'll just make the transition a lot more smoother. You got nothing to prove, oh baby, I know you'll do right by me. I'll do right by you. You got nothing. My goal for the end of October was to reach 400 subscribers, so I just want to say thank you guys so much. If you've subscribed to my channel, I have been recording videos since June. Never thought that this would be something that I would actually enjoy doing and sharing how I love to clean, organize, and declutter my house. This is definitely an everyday thing for me, not just for the videos, but just wanted to say thank you guys. And if this is your first time here, I would definitely love for you to subscribe. I try to post videos weekly, mainly about organizing, cleaning, and lifestyle.
There's something I have to say. I love you and I hate you, and I hope you feel the same. Come a little closer, baby, please don't walk away. I love you and you got nothing to prove, oh baby, I know we got this.
As you probably can tell, we haven't put dishes up in a while, but just wanted to go ahead and get that done before I start cooking. So just stay for the full video. I'm gonna start cooking in just a second, and you can definitely cook and clean with me if you want to just follow along.
I finally stopped running now. With you I found my peace somehow. Let go of every thought that was holding me back. Yeah, I'm in love with you in every way.
So a couple days ago we picked up some groceries from Big Lots. So what I'm cooking tonight is some soup. I'm cooking chicken pot pie. We just got those cans from Big Lots. Big Lots has great sales when it comes to groceries. They have a lot of cool snack items as well. And I'm also cooking Eleni some chicken noodle soup. She's really not a fan of the chicken pot pie soup. And we'll just have club crackers with it, along with saltine crackers.
And you set me free.
So I'm just going to go ahead and place the two different soups inside the two pots, and then I'm just going to put the stove on medium heat. Also want to mention, we have been using HelloFresh. If that's something you haven't checked out, definitely do. It definitely makes cooking a lot simpler, especially if you're not a fan of cooking like me. So what you do, you actually go on their website and you place your order the weekend before or the week before, and it'll send you everything to your door. So I think it's delivered by UPS, depending on where you live, but they deliver everything to you, and it's step-by-step instructions on what to do. It has definitely made cooking dinner a lot simpler, where dinner would take maybe an hour whenever we were doing a more bigger meal, versus HelloFresh usually takes 20 to 25 minutes, and you can also decide your serving size and everything like that. So if you haven't checked them out, I definitely would. It'll definitely save you a lot of time. So we usually do HelloFresh twice a week, and then we'll do an additional simple meal that we'll go purchase and purchase with our snacks on the weekend for the following week. So while the soups are warming up, I'm gonna go ahead and make sure I place the items that I no longer need. So it's very important whenever you're cleaning that you clean while you're cooking. It'll definitely save you some time towards the end after you guys are finished eating.
Then you came to me and you gave me reason. I almost can't believe it. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. When I really come alive. I don't know anybody that could compare to you. The way you're always smiling, the way you light up a room. I couldn't live without you, not even if I tried.
I'm definitely not the best at eating fruits and vegetables, but we definitely try to make sure Eleni always has it during a meal. So right here I'm just preparing an orange for her, and then she'll have her chicken noodle soup with crackers.
And I'm not coming down. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. Oh, when we touch is when I really come alive. I couldn't be without you now. I just can't see how, not even if I tried. I couldn't be without you now. I just can't see how. 'Cause I need you by my side. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know I'm gonna be alright.
Talk to me, baby, I've been waiting for a lifetime. Just keep on fading in all these photos, caught in the memories and captured in the highlights. Just keep on wasting. Glass after glass, I keep hoping you'll come around, drowning our fights in whatever can be found. 'Cause I've given in to all my demons lately. You know, might be easier just to let it go. Cut the cable short and the problem solved. Might be easier for you. I do it all night. You're my only lifeline.
So after dinner, one of us will give Eleni a bath, and then the other one will clean the kitchen. So today I am cleaning it. So just want to show you guys what it looks like now, and then I'm gonna go ahead and tackle this kitchen. It's not too bad because I definitely did clean as I go. So let's go ahead and get started.
Sing for me, darling, it's been quiet for a day now. Can't bear the silence inside my own head. I keep on hoping somehow we can make this alright. Just keep on trying. Glass after glass, I keep hoping you'll come around, drowning our fights in whatever can be found. 'Cause I've given in to all my demons lately. You know, might be easier just to let it go. Cut the cable short and the problem solved. Might be easier for you. I do it all night. You're my only lifeline. Talk to me, baby, I've been waiting for a lifetime. Just keep on fading in all these photos, caught in the memories and captured in the highlights. Just keep on wasting. Might be easier just to let it go. Cut the cable short and the problem solved. Might be
If you haven't tried the Mrs. Meyer's all-purpose spray, I would definitely suggest trying it. You can actually purchase it through Target now, and the scent that I'm using tonight is the apple cider scent. It smells so good. It definitely gives you the fall vibes, especially with the weather finally changing here. So yeah, definitely check that out. It's all natural, so I definitely always recommend that, especially if you have children.
I got this boy on my mind that I can't live without. Oh, his eyes are killing me. And he keeps talking about everything that he likes, and I can't stop listening. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time, all the time. And my heart's beating fast when he's looking like that. Oh, his smile is killing me. It's the way that he moves and the way that he laughs, so I can't get enough. Thinking about him all the time. I can't get him off my mind. Oh, I want him to be mine, to be mine. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him now, 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 now. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it starts, when it starts. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter friends feeling new. Even if we stay in bed, my heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him, nah, 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 nah. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it starts, when it starts. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I wanna na 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 now. Yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you.
Thank you guys again for watching this cook and clean with me. I hope it gave you some motivation to get some things done today. And if you have any questions or comments, definitely leave it down below. I would love to hear some meals that you guys cook throughout the week. And also let me know what you think of my backsplash. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
I can be a fighter.